A perfect loaf of bread is defined by its crust. But most loaf pans trap steam, leading to soft, mushy sides instead of a satisfying snap. At Wade Media Labs, we decided to quantify the Crust-Snap of 12 leading loaf pans to see which material delivers the best browning and texture. We baked identical sourdough recipes in all 12 pans at 425 degrees. Using acoustic sensors and digital force gauges, we measured the decibel level and pressure required to snap the side crust. The results were conclusive. Thin gauge aluminum and silicone pans consistently failed our snap test, producing crusts that were up to 40% softer than our top contenders. It comes down to thermal mass. Heavy gauge steel holds heat more effectively, driving moisture away from the dough and accelerating the Maillard reaction for a crispier finish. The winner was a heavy gauge carbon steel model that produced a crust snap 30% louder than the nearest competitor. It delivered professional grade browning at a consumer price point. If you want a professional crust, you need a pan that can handle the heat. In the workshop of the kitchen, weight equals performance. See the full acoustic data, the browning charts, and the heavy gauge winner at cookwarescout.com. Look for the Crust-Snap audit.